Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can read Instagram messages without being seen using the latest method in 2025. Let's jump right in. First, open your Instagram app. Tap on the DM icon in the top right to open your messages. Now, choose the chat you want to read without triggering the seen status. Once inside the chat, tap on the person's name or username at the top of the screen. This opens the chat settings. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety. Here, you'll see an option called Read Receipts. Simply turn this toggle off. Once it's off, you can read any new messages in that chat, and the other person won't know you've seen them. That's it. Quick, simple, and super useful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.